Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, and my name is Rosalie, and today I am going to make a chicken empanada, and I'm gonna start with my filling, and just follow along, and if you wanted something special for your empanadas, all you need to do is incorporate them. Okay, so let's start. Once your oil is now hot, you can start with the garlic. Empanada filling is already done and cooked. I'm just cooling it down. So while we're cooling it down, we're gonna make the empanada. Okay, so just a bit of salt there, and baking powder. I use a spoonful of baking powder right there. And half a teaspoon of white sugar. This is the attachment that I use for my dough. Okay, and so I'm just gonna mix it up a bit, just straining it. I just kind of like mix it up like that for now, and that kind of like breaks down the flour, and incorporate the salt, the salt, baking powder, and the sugar before we put everything in there. Then I'd stop it. I would use the real trade here is using a real butter, and even though it's not as flaky, but it does help when it comes to not exploding inside for not breaking inside the oven while we're baking it. The taste is there. Like if you use a real butter and good quality butter, there we go, and that kind of makes up for everything, even though it's not as flaky, but at least you know you have a really good tasty empanada dough. Okay, and I kind of like cube it this way. so it's easier for the mixer to move around while it's mixing everything. And I kind of like just scrape a little bit. Okay. And mix it like that. Okay. And then slowly add your eggs. Okay, and then I use 1 cup of water, but I will add it gradually, like so, like this one here, and then add it gradually. And then make your machine a little bit faster now. By the way, I used the cold water. Okay, so okay, so this is how it's supposed to be. This is the consistency. Like it's not dry, and it's not also like very soft. Like it's like just enough. Like and it's kind of like easy to break them apart. So that's what I like my empanada dough to be. Not too soft and not too dry. So yeah, okay. So, and the other thing also is it should come out really clean like this. Like there shouldn't be anything around it, or like a residue or any dry flour left over like around. So that's how you know that your empanada dough is good enough to like everything is in the right portion. And even with your butter, like half a cup of butter is good. Okay, so now let's make our empanada. Daddy, can I have 2 teaspoons, please? And then I put some flour in my empanada mold. Then I do it this way. Oh, actually, I need one more. Okay, so sorry, my cheese is, okay, I'm just gonna do it by hand. Okay, so I put my cheese like this, then some of my frozen peas, like that. And then this much for my filling, and then I close it like this. There we go, and voila. And just to be on the safe side, I would move it a little bit forward outside the mold and redo it again. Okay, so you see that there's a lip in there, like the flour is still showing, like the dough is outside, just like maybe quarter of that. Now we're gonna do the egg wash. And these are the finished products, and see, it like it didn't explode. I kind of locked it twice, and I pressed it a little bit harder than I normally do, but so it came out really nice. There's a little bit of thing, but I don't think that it's such a big deal. So anyway, I like chicken better, and it's just easier to cook, and it's easier to stuff in the dough. Okay, so anyway, enjoy, good luck, and have a great day. Bye bye.